Hi guys! In this video you will learn how to win more Plunder matches in COD Warzone Mobile. Well, to do that, know the map. Familiarize yourself with the map layout, including key location and landmarks. Team coordination. Work closely with your team to coordinate strategies and maximize efficiency. Loot efficiently. Prioritize high-value loot locations and always be on the lookout for supply boxes. Stay mobile. Keep moving to avoid becoming an easy target for enemies. Use cover. Always use cover when engaging enemies or looting to minimize your exposure to gunfire. Communicate. Use voice chat or text chat to communicate with your team and share important informations. Upgrade your loadout. Spend your cash wisely on weapons upgrades and kill streaks to gain an advantage over other teams. Complete contracts. Focus on completing contracts to earn extra cash and gain valuable intel on enemy positions. Stay alive. Focus on staying alive rather than chasing kills, as dying reduces your cash and puts your team at a disadvantage. Revive teammates. Prioritize reviving downed teammates to maintain numerical superiority. Use UAVs. Use UAVs to reveal enemy position and gain a tactical advantage. Watch the circle. Pay attention to the circle's movement and plan your movements accordingly to avoid getting caught outside the safe zone. Use vehicles wisely. Utilize vehicles for fast travel, but be mindful of their noise, which can attract enemy attentions. Stay stealthy. Avoid unnecessary noise and movement to avoid detection by enemies. Stay together. Stick close to your team to provide mutual support and increase your chances of survival. Be aggressive. Don't hesitate to push enemy teams when you have the advantage, but always be mindful of potential ambushes. Stay informed. Keep an eye on the kill feed to gather information about enemy position and engagements. And that's how to win more Plunder matches in COD Warzone Mobile. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you for next video. Thank you for watching.